Believe it or not, I got this package from Temu for only $26. It contains 7 varied items. Let's take a look at each one of them. You may find something you are looking for. The first one is a compact and lightweight digital scale designed for accurately weighing luggage, bags, parcels, and other hanging items. It features a maximum capacity of 50 kilograms, 110 pounds, with a precision of 10 grams, allowing users to avoid overweight baggage fees and measure items with high accuracy. The scale includes an easy-to-read digital display, a durable hanging strap or hook, and a portable design that makes it ideal for travel, home, and outdoor use. The second is a CM DepiWhite Advanced Cream and Anti-Dark Spot Brightening Cream with niacinamide and vitamin C formulated to help reduce the appearance of dark spots. Next, Arabic keyboard stickers. The fourth item is for my Canon G2420 printer. It is MC-G02 ink maintenance box cartridge. It's a waste ink tank, not the original one though. Then, we have a blackhead cleaning tool, charging, electric facial cleansing brush, and 4-speed adjustable facial cleaning. I got it only because it was so cheap. Sixth, this is Seize 2-pack salicylic acid and niacinamide serum. This brightens, firms, and minimizes pores. Ideal for light beige skin. Last but not least, here is an oral irrigator, water flosser, suitable for teeth and gum care. USB charged dental device with water flosser, portable oral for travel and home use, compatible for, and, no complex setup, IP67. That's everything. Please like and subscribe. Bye.